Do you need a special bike rack for transporting electric mountain bikes on a motorhome? Today, we're going to unbox the Kuat Piston Ion bike rack and see if it's the best choice for carrying two mountain bikes on our Class C motorhome. I purchased the Kuat Piston from REI with our own money, and this is our honest review based on our experience. Keep in mind that mountain bikes are much heavier than analog mountain bikes. Analog full suspension bikes weigh about 30 pounds, but electric mountain bikes with the battery and the motor, well, the weight goes up about 20 to 30 pounds, and that really strains what bike hitches need to carry. My specialized Levo 4 comp alloy weighs in at 56 pounds, and Dan's propane Shresh is about 52 pounds. It is important to really take the weight of an electric mountain bike seriously, especially when transporting it on the back of an RV. This is because the load carrying capacity decreases when you hitch a bike rack to a motorhome due to the cantilever effect. Leave me a comment if you want more of an explanation, but just know that the cantilever effect is why standard bike hitches fail with electric mountain bikes on RVs and motorhomes. Now, let's get to unboxing it. The unboxing was very simple because everything was carefully packaged, nothing was loose or moving around. Our first impression was how big and sturdy the Kuat hitch is. All the tools needed for the install were included in the box. There was a card included in the box with a QR code on it that opened the owner's manual. But who wants to read the owner's manual? We got on YouTube and discovered that Kuat has an excellent video that walks you through the install of the Piston Ion step by step. We'll share that link in the description below. The installation takes about an hour from unboxing to loading up the bikes. As we moved through the install, we really noticed how sturdy the Kuat is. It's also super easy to use, like the foot pedal feature, which you use to shift the position of the bike rack. This was just another sign at how well designed this bike rack is. My favorite feature is the ramp, which makes it really easy to load up the bikes. Once we got the bikes loaded up, we headed over to Eureka Springs, Arkansas to bike at Christ of the Ozarks. After using the Kuat on our recent adventures, it's already proven itself to be a straightforward and reliable rack. With its easy approach and intuitive design, I feel comfortable recommending this hitch for use with mountain bikes on motorhomes. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this one. We'll see you in the next video, and in the meantime, get out on the trails and keep your tires rolling.